Hi guys, first things first for this week, I first have to thank a very good friend of this channel and of my friend self, of a friend of myself, Rian from Bloemfontein Agility Dogs. You've heard of him before quite a few times. We've lasered a bunch of boards for him or for the dog club, and Rian on Sunday phoned me to go to the prize giving when they finished one of their competitions. And the dog agility club, or whatever, Bloemfontein Agility Club, then gave me some gifts as a thanks for the boards that we lasered. I didn't charge him for it, and I wasn't planning on charging them. And out of his own, he then gave me some gifts. One of the cutest little gifts he gave me is a little plane. And I'm telling you, this is one of the most beautiful little planes I've ever seen in my life. I don't know where we're going to use it, but we're definitely going to use it somewhere. Then another thing that he knew that I've been looking for ages is a little adjustable square. And he found this somewhere by the coast where he was working, and he got me a little 150 millimeters, or in the wrong language, 6 inches adjustable little square. And this we'll definitely use a lot. And then the third little gift he gave me was a little 2-inch engineering square, which is marked metric and imperial. So Rian, for you and the club, thank you very, very much. I wasn't expected, but it's really appreciated. Thank you very much. So guys, I got some more key art to finish the wedding boards. They are already glued up one board that needs to be squared up and then finished. And I need another one that size 750 by 650. And the boards that was delivered today to me was this. I'm not very happy about the boards, but we must understand that at the moment key art is ridiculously scarce. So we must take what we can get. To show you, for example, I was told that these will plane down to 25. So it's 25 plus. In the end, this one ended up on 21 millimeters on this side, unplaned. That side, 24 millimeters. So this is too thin to use already for that, because I need 26 millimeters. This one, on the other end, starts off on this side at 42 millimeters. Then it goes down in the middle to something like 39 millimeters. Then it goes back to 40 something millimeters. That's not my problem. Look at that. On the bottom here, it's 55 millimeters. And here it's the 42 millimeters. Now at the moment we pay what I think is a premium price for key art, which is 23,600 Rand per cubic meter. The invoice is there. And this 2 planks with delivery cost me 1,400 Rand, which is quite a lot for 2 boards if you think that almost half of this going to end up in the dust collector just to get it square. That is heartbreaking. But let me get this big one down to 26 millimeters or 27. I'll double check now what that is. This one we'll put away. I don't know what I'm going to use that thin board for. We'll make a plan somewhere. The guys have already squared up the other side. And now I measured my 750, made my mark. Put my rail down and make sure I'm square up against my rail. And that should, in theory, make this corner square. I've cut the other one already and it worked a charm. So I like this method. It's easy, it's fast. Let's cut this. And yes, I'm not using dust collection on this at the moment because the workshop is an absolute mess. I'll have to clean it in a few minutes. So, just making the mess better. Perfect. These joints are very strong. So guys, I quickly went and cleaned the workshop, dusted everything off. And these are now the two boards that we're going to make the signs from. Those are the drawers for the desk standing there on the back. Everything is now dusted, sanded. The drawers and the table has already got one coat of varnish on. So I just gave it a quick flat with a 220 grit sandpaper. And I thought while I'm busy with these two, I can just as well put the second coat on the desk. So now it's varnish time. I'm going to start at the backs of these two boards, then go on up to the desk, come flip these over and do the other side. And hopefully by this afternoon, we'll have 3 coats on all of this. Let me start varnishing. So guys, I just managed to finish one coat on everything. The desk is done, the drawers, and then the 2 signs top and bottom. And then the power went out. So sorry about the video quality. What we call in South Africa is load shedding. We're sitting now for 2.5 hours without power. And then hopefully this will be dry and we can continue. Guys, we are doing the stickers on the boards. And stickers is not one of my favorite things. It's a mission. I got the help of my daughter to give me a hand. What I've done now is I spaced it 50 millimeters from the top and the bottom, and then also the spacing is done. And then I just stuck it with with masking tape, and then also the joint in the back piece of paper we stuck. Now it's to get the back part. This we must now get off, but the sticker must stay behind on this. Then we'll stick it down and then pull off the top one. Let me show you. So guys, that's the 3 signs done. The 2 big ones is 750 by 650 and the smaller one is 750 by 260. The top one we've done resin. The 2 big ones we've done stickers like you've seen just now. The stickers is very stressful because if you ruin a sticker, you start over. So I prefer and I like the resin ones. That's more permanent. But the lady wanted stickers and we did stickers. Tell me what you think. There's still some varnish to be done. And then I just coated these two with the polyurethane varnish, so there's still some bright spots or glossy spots that will dry. I'm doing them with satin because it's a sign. I don't want them to reflect too much light. And tell me what you think. What do you prefer? The stickers or the resin? What do you think is better? Hi guys. So for Sasha, we're making 11 groom buddies quickly. Now the horsey people stuff. Sasha's busy doing the laser work. Almost done. There's another little project. And then the desk, guys, that's almost done. It's got now 2 coats of varnish everywhere. Just a quick flat, last coat of varnish. And then I just want to do some settings on the drawers. Some of them go too far in. Then this job will be done next week as well. So guys, if you're wondering why the video is so short this week, me and my little family decided to go get out of the city and just have a bit of a break. So we're just relaxing, having some fun, enjoying the sunsets. Enjoy the video. See you next week.